In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose Security section. Then tap on Screen Lock and select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one, pattern, PIN or password. Following that, you need to create it, choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Now click on Confirm and tap on one of those options to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and tap on Done. Now when I go back, switch off my screen and then turn it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!